Brian at Dynamite Diesel here. Do you own an 03 to 07 Dodge Ram 5.9 Cummins pickup truck? If you do you put on a lot of miles? Are you maybe a hot shotter? Are you a sales guy? If you put on a ton of miles and you have an 03 to 07 Ram 5.9 Cummins equipped truck, we want to hear from you. We'd like you to comment, post, whatever it may be on our social media, YouTube. We want to hear about it. Send us some proof, show us pictures, let us know. We're going to vet it, but you're going to be entered into a contest to win a free set of our new Patriot injectors getting ready to be introduced here in the next month. So it's going to be a stock set of injectors. Also, not only are you going to get the set of injectors, we'd like you here at our shop in Hayden, Idaho for a free install and a day with the Dynamite crew. So we're going to do the install for you. Also at the same time, of course, we're going to give you a good shop tour and take you out to lunch. And then also we're going to shoot a video with the truck. But we'd like you here in our shop by Monday, October 30th. This contest is going to end October 16th. We want to choose a winner. So you'll have a couple weeks to make your way up here. We can kind of shift around some scheduling with you to make it work. But sometime in that 2-week period from October 16th to October 30th, we'd like you here in the shop for an install. So please tag your buddies, anybody you know that owns one of these 03 to 07 trucks, wants a free set of injectors, free install, and puts a ton of miles on them, hit us up. We're ready and waiting. We can't wait to see you.